Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can make extension functions in the Flutter. So what are the extension functions? Extension functions can add extra functionality to your existing classes, right? So as we can see, we already have some extension functions like this: data, local, overflow, soft wrap, style. Okay, so let's make our own extension function. We will make an extension function on this text widget to add default padding. Okay, so let's create a file. We will name it add padding dot. To make extension function, we have to use extension keyword. We name our class, and with on keyword we will declare on which class we are making this extension. So we will use extension add padding, our class name, and on keyword to define our class. We can use any class here, like it can be widget class or it can be any other class like data type, string, integer, double, etc. So here we will make an function which will return a widget. We will name it default padding. As you all know, to add padding we have to use padding widget. So we will declare our padding widget here. We will use edge insert geometry all to give padding to all the sides, and as a child we will use this keyword to represent our text widget. Okay. So with using this extension function we will add default padding of 20 all around the text widget. One more thing we can do is we can declare a named parameter here of type double. So later on we can change padding as per our need. So here we will pass padding, we will replace 20 with the variable. Right. So that's it for the extension class. You just have to use extension keyword, class name on, and with. So that's it for the extension function. Now we can use extension function on our every text widget. To use extension function we just have to add dot at the end and type our variable name. Our variable name is default padding. So when you save and refresh, it will automatically add 20 padding all around the text widget, or we can change the padding to pass value in the argument. Let's add a bigger number to see changes. We will pass 60. Now you can see it has added 60 padding all around the text widget. So this is how you can make an extension function on any widget or class. If you have any doubt, you can write your query in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer. Also, if you want code snippet, I'll put down this link of my article. Here I have written an example with code snippet how you can use extension function on string to check whether string is email or not, valid email or not. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.